Ganyan lang. Ito sa ibabaw. Yan guys, tsaka ito. Lock. That's it. Kala yung goma pumasok sa loob mag-seal. Yan, good. Yan na, sealed na. Think so, pasok na siguro yan. Natin ito ngayon. Ito may guide siya rito Parang siya na ano. Ayan. Ayan, nakita natin. Ayan, kanyang. Good. Good. Lapat ba? Lapat lang ba? Okay, lapat. Go like this. So, ito na ako. Yan, okay. Okay na. Oh. Snap. Yan na yung una niya. Yan na. Sakto. Ito natin yan siya. Sa place. Ano nga yung torque mo na 69 daw ano ito kahit 50 man lang thank you 69 tama ba hindi tumama ito na ito na di ba nag-click to?
It does. When you get close, clicks. It says on the gauge how much.
No, 120 at 12.5, right?
Yeah. 50.
52. I think okay na yan. Di ba? Oh, 59.
59.
60.
60,
Sobra na.
62.
62 na. Okay na. 62. 59 lang tayo. I think that's so much na. Sabi niya 59. Naka 62 tayo, right? So,
Yeah,
it's
let me
good.
click. That's weird.
But it doesn't click.
Because 69, Popsies.
Huh?
69.
Yeah.
We're only at 52.
52?
The 59? So you got 10 more foot-pounds, so I didn't click.
Pero masikip na anak eh. Hindi na kaya mag-lift to. Oh, hindi na gumagalaw eh. Oh. Susubukan uli natin. Saka na, para ano. Baka mamaya eh, pag nag-full tank siya, mag-lift eh. So just ano lang, just to make sure. Kasi baka mamaya eh, ang ano nito kasi pagka nagkaroon ng pressure, it cause ng ano, tapos na-leak. Magle-leak siya anak. So it's better na ano. And there. Meron pa nga oh. $55. 60.
That's good.
Okay na.
Yep.
Nag-click na ba? Pumula na. Okay. Oh, thank you. Then, I'm gonna put this first. Okay, lock. Good. Ngayon. Okay, i-turn on ko na. Let's see if there's a ano ha.
Okay.
There's a gas come out. Coming out from here. From the tube to the tube. Ano ba itong ayaw mo? Panasa ko lang mamaya. Panasa ko lang mamaya. Handa eh. Okay, I'm gonna turn on, okay?
Yep.
Okay, on. Yun na. Nagano na, di ba? Tumunog
Yeah.
na. Oh. Isa pa uli ah. Good?
Yep.
Yung tumutulo, wala pa.
Nope.
Okay, demo.
Now it is.
Meron na?
Yep.
Isa pa uli.
Yep, it's going.
Siguro na, di ba?
Yep.
Okay. Look at the video. That's good, that's good. Just wanna make sure before I'm gonna put it back together. Then I need the ano, yung clip. Special clip for the ano. I think it's in here in the old one. Wala siya kasama na.
Does it come with a clip?
Yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna check that. Check inside the box. There's nothing. Yeah, there's nothing. I'm gonna use the old one. The old clip. Dapat yung isa ganon, di ba? Tinagaw natin. Kaso wala.
Which one? Please.
The clip.
Oh man, pussies.
Pero at least ngayon may gas na, no?
Mm-mm.
Clear na may gas. Kanina wala yung isa eh. Kaya ayaw umandar. Because there's no gas. Okay, I'm gonna remove this. Gonna start the ano na. Pa-absorb mo natin yung gas kasi ano, baka mag-ano. Okay. Ito pa isa. Sabit ko muna ito baka ano, madumihin pa yung lips ng ano. Okay, good. Then let's put pot in there. Lock. Okay, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I'm gonna remove the ano, excess gas outside. Mamaya ay mag-cause ng ano. Maganda ngayon yung ano, yung noise. It's good rather than before. The one that I put in on before, it's kind of weird noise. So I said, huh. Okay, okay na siguro yan. Wala na eh. So, I'm gonna turn off. Then check out kung maglilik dito sa ano ha. Dito sa kinabit ko. Baka maglilik ha.
Okay.
Just to make sure there's no leak this yung connector. Before I'm gonna ano. It should be okay. It's good but you know, just to make sure. Okay. Dito na ka. Turn on.
Yep.
1. Turn on. Okay. Turn off. Turn on.
Looks good. No leak.
Turn on. Turn off.
Looks good.
Okay. Pangilan na yun? 4?
Fourth.
Okay, 5. Can I start?
Yep.
Yeah, let's see. It's ano. There we go. At least happy na si ano niyan. Si...
Oh shit.
Ha?
Yup.
Happy na si ano niyan ay.
Yup. Huh. I know, Pops. Maybe I should turn my starter. I don't want to go. Don't want to go Amazon anymore.